Company is pretty busy, always business. They closed last night. They said we're not going to be open tomorrow. You know, doesn't do anybody any good to try and get into work. It's crazy.
Right, look how big these waves are.
They're awesome. The waves are ginormous.
This is so cool. You know, it's
Check
nice
it out.
in here too. It's you don't get the wind in between the
So I
houses.
am standing between Mikey D's house and the Peters cottage. So in area 4. Oh, look at that.
Don't piss off Mother Nature.
There goes Les. Checking it out. He's yeah, Les.
He's got all his. He got his snowmobile gear on.
He's ready to go. Oh, here goes Chuck.
Woo!
Chuck, you can't get any closer, you big wuss. All right.
Where's our dog?
I don't know. Brady's.
Oh, there he is.
No. Brady's not
Chased the
swimming.
ball out in the beach.
Yeah, he's not.
This is pretty.
He didn't even
crazy.
want to go out until I shoveled the path this morning.
All right, that's a minute. I should probably let me zoom
So Keith
back.
said he saw you down there after you texted me.
All right.
Like,
Yeah.
it
So
sounded like you
this
guys
is
had
how
fun. You
far
had a
back
couple
I'm
beers together.
standing from the
Yeah, we had a good
seawall.
time. It was
He's a great guy.
Because of
He
course
really
I'm
is
psychotic. I will stand closer. And here we go. I just don't want to get splashed. Because that would kind of suck. And there is still some snowdrifts. It's pretty cool. I'm freezing. My fingers are numb. Oh, but I sacrifice for you, my people. Happy New Year. See you in the summer when it's not so frigid. It's freaking cold. All right. This is all you can see.